Is your car acting sluggish, guzzling gas, or idling rougher than a tumble dryer full of bricks? Well, one of the most common culprits, yet often overlooked, could be your throttle body. Today, we're diving deep into the 7 key symptoms of a bad or dirty throttle body, and stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to clean it yourself and potentially save a bundle. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on more car maintenance tips. Now, let's jump right in. So, what exactly does this mysterious throttle body do? Think of it as the lungs of your engine's air intake system. It's a critical component, usually located between your air filter and the engine's intake manifold. Inside, there's a pivoting flap valve, often called a butterfly valve. When you press the accelerator pedal, this valve opens, allowing more air into the engine. More air mixed with the right amount of fuel means more power. Simple, right? Well, mostly. Throttle bodies generally come in 2 main types. Older vehicles often use a mechanical throttle body. This is a pretty straightforward system where a physical cable directly connects your accelerator pedal to the butterfly valve. You press the pedal, the cable pulls, the valve opens. Then we have the more modern electronic throttle control, or etc. systems, often called drive-by-wire. In these, there's no physical cable. Instead, when you press the pedal, an electronic sensor, the accelerator pedal position sensor, or APP, sends a signal to the engine control module, or ECM, that's your car's brain. The ECM then tells an electric motor on the throttle body precisely how much to open that butterfly valve. Etc. systems allow for much finer control, which helps with fuel economy, emissions, and features like cruise control and traction control. Why do throttle bodies go bad or get dirty? Over time, especially with etc. systems being so precise, even a little bit of gunk can cause big problems. Carbon deposits from the positive crankcase ventilation (PCV) system, oil vapors, and fine dust that might sneak past an aging air filter can build up on the inside of the throttle body and on the butterfly valve itself. This restricts airflow and can make the valve sticky. Electrical components like sensors or the control motor can also fail due to age, heat, or vibrations. Let's look at the 7 symptoms of a bad throttle body. Number 1. Rough idling. One of the most common signs of a faulty throttle body is a rough or uneven idle. When the throttle body is dirty or malfunctioning, it can disrupt the air-fuel mixture entering the engine. This imbalance causes the engine to idle inconsistently, often fluctuating between high and low RPMs. You may feel the car shaking slightly or hear the engine sputter while parked. In some cases, the RPM needle jumps up and down while idling. The throttle plate might not be opening or closing smoothly, which causes unstable airflow. This inconsistency confuses the engine control unit, ECU, leading to unpredictable behavior. If the issue persists, it can increase wear on engine components. Ignoring rough idling could result in stalling or further engine performance issues. Number 2. Poor acceleration. A malfunctioning throttle body can cause your vehicle to accelerate sluggishly. The throttle body controls the amount of air entering the engine when you press the gas pedal. If it's clogged or the throttle position sensor is failing, the engine won't get the right amount of air. As a result, acceleration becomes weak or delayed, even when the pedal is fully pressed. You may feel a lag or hesitation during takeoff, especially when merging or overtaking. This can be dangerous in traffic where responsive acceleration is crucial. A restricted throttle body affects the combustion process and reduces power output. It might also cause gear shifting issues in automatic vehicles. If you notice this symptom consistently, the throttle body needs inspection or cleaning. Number 3. Stalling engine. A bad throttle body can cause the engine to stall frequently. This usually happens because the throttle plate sticks or closes when it shouldn't, cutting off airflow to the engine. Without enough air, the engine can't maintain combustion and shuts down. Stalling may occur randomly, even while driving, idling, or coming to a stop. It's especially noticeable when your foot is off the gas pedal. The vehicle may struggle to stay on unless you constantly rev the engine. Over time, this can become a serious safety issue, particularly in traffic. Dirty carbon buildup or faulty sensors in the throttle body are often the cause. Addressing the issue promptly can prevent further damage to the engine or catalytic converter. Number 4. Check engine light. A failing throttle body often triggers the check engine light on your dashboard. Modern vehicles use sensors to monitor throttle position and airflow. When the ECU detects abnormal readings, such as a stuck throttle plate or erratic airflow, it logs a trouble code. This code illuminates the check engine light, signaling the driver to investigate. Common diagnostic codes related to throttle issues include P2111, P2112, and P2101. Even if no other symptoms are present, a faulty throttle body could be the root cause. You'll need an OBD2 scanner to read the specific code. Sometimes, simply cleaning the throttle body clears the issue, but replacement may be necessary. Don't ignore the warning light, it's your car's way of saying something's wrong. Number 5. High or unstable RPM. An erratic or abnormally high RPM while idling or in neutral may point to a throttle body problem. Normally, the idle RPM should be steady, usually between 600 and 1000 RPM. If the throttle body is stuck open, the engine receives too much air, raising the RPM unnecessarily. This can also occur due to a vacuum leak around the throttle body or malfunctioning sensors. The result is an engine that revs up on its own without driver input. You might hear the engine racing while at a stop or feel the car jerk slightly. Over time, this can stress engine components and waste fuel. High RPMs can also confuse the transmission and affect gear shifts. Resolving the issue often involves cleaning or recalibrating the throttle body. Number 6. Poor fuel economy. When your throttle body is failing, it can cause your engine to burn more fuel than necessary. This is due to an improper air-fuel mixture caused by inconsistent airflow. The ECU may attempt to compensate for the issue by injecting more fuel than required. As a result, your miles per gallon will drop significantly. You might find yourself refueling more frequently even though your driving habits haven't changed. A dirty or faulty throttle body often leads to incomplete combustion, further reducing efficiency. This symptom may not be immediately noticeable but becomes evident over time. Keeping track of your fuel usage can help detect this problem early. Addressing the throttle body can help restore normal fuel economy. Number 7. Hard starting or no start. In extreme cases, a bad throttle body can prevent your vehicle from starting altogether. The engine requires a precise air-fuel mixture to ignite, and if the throttle body is stuck closed or the sensors are malfunctioning, airflow is restricted. This lack of air causes a no-start condition, especially during cold starts. You may hear the engine crank but fail to turn over completely. In some instances, it may start after multiple tries but immediately stall. This is a strong indicator that the throttle body is no longer regulating airflow properly. Electronic throttle control, etc. issues can also be the culprit. Diagnosing the problem with a scan tool and physical inspection is necessary. A repair or replacement of the throttle body is often required. So there you have it, the top 7 signs your throttle body might be crying out for help and how to give it a good cleaning. Keeping this component clean can significantly improve your car's performance and fuel economy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.